Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to send a photo with the View Once feature on Facebook Messenger. This updated guide will help you share photos securely, ensuring they disappear after being viewed once. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once inside, tap the Messenger icon, which looks like a speech bubble, located at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to your conversations. Next, select the conversation where you want to send the photo. If you don't have an existing chat, start a new one by searching for the person's name. Now, look for the photo icon. It's shaped like a camera, next to the text box at the bottom of your screen. Tap it to access your gallery or take a new photo. Choose the photo you want to send. Before sending it, tap Edit on the selected photo. This step allows you to customize how your photo will be shared. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an icon that looks like a circle with a 1 inside. That's the View Once feature. Tap this icon to enable it. Finally, tap Send, represented by a paper plane icon. Your photo will now be sent with the View Once setting enabled. The recipient can view it only one time before it disappears permanently. And that's it. You've successfully sent a photo using Facebook Messenger's View Once feature. This is perfect for sharing private moments or sensitive information securely. Thanks for tuning in.